ito ang medyo bad news. 577 cases. So mas marami pa kesa doon sa fireworks na 534 cases. This is a 33% increase. Parang threefold increase from last year's 432. Most of the incidents involved men aged 20 to 24. 72% were motorcycle riders. So, hindi nakakagulat, of the 72% motorcycle riders, 90%, 9 out of 10 of these riders who were injured did not wear helmet. Hindi po naka-helmet. So, siguro, Chip, pagka next year, bantayan natin yung hindi nag-helmet talaga. Kasi hindi sila magkaka-injury kung naka-helmet sila. These statistics underscore our urgent need for stricter enforcement of the helmet use law, and especially in the provinces, no? Kasi nationwide yung datos namin. Ang mataas namin sa motorcycle, Cagayan Valley and Caraga.